Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students, beginner programmers, aspiring backend developers, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you want to learn Golang programming language and build backend or cloud-based projects, this is especially for you. Many students feel confused about where to start with Golang, what to learn first, and how developers actually use it in real projects. And honestly, this confusion is very common among beginners. But don't worry, here's something helpful for you, a deep study roadmap for students in Golang programming language, information from Youthbuddy. To explore this, just visit the Youthbuddy website, go to the education section, look for the IT and CS courses learning category, and open the study roadmap, then select Golang on that page. This roadmap is designed especially for learners who want to deeply understand Golang from beginner level all the way to advanced production-ready development. Golang is a modern programming language created by Google, and it is widely used for backend systems, cloud platforms, DevOps tools, APIs, and scalable applications. The best part is, Golang is known for simplicity, speed, and powerful concurrency features. So if you want a programming language that is clean, practical, and industry relevant, Golang can be a great choice for your future career. Now let's quickly understand how you can use this roadmap effectively. First, start with the setup phase. Install the latest stable version of Golang on your system. Then set up tools like VS Code with the Go extension, along with formatting and linting tools. Try small commands like go run, go build, and go test to get comfortable with the environment. Next, move into the core language concepts. Learn about variables, constants, slices, maps, structs, pointers, functions, and interfaces. Understand how error handling works in Golang because it is one of the most important concepts in the language. During this phase, you can build a simple thorough CLI project and practice unit testing. Then focus on concurrency fundamentals. This is actually one of the strongest features of Golang. Learn Go routines, channels, worker pools, and context cancellation. Practice how multiple tasks can run efficiently together. A great mini project here is building a concurrent web crawler. After that, explore the Golang standard library. Learn how Golang handles files, networking, HTTP services, JSON APIs, time functions, and system processes. This phase helps you build practical backend services. You can create an HTTP JSON CRUD service and test your APIs using built-in packages. Then continue with testing, profiling, linting, and performance optimization. Learn how to benchmark applications and identify slow areas using tools like PPROF. These skills are very important when building production-quality applications. Finally, move into advanced Golang concepts like scalable concurrency, observability, database integration, Dockerization, logging, tracing, caching, and production-ready web services. You can even build portfolio projects like distributed job queues, gRPC services, monitoring demos, and backend APIs. This roadmap also includes a simple 8-week study plan, helping you learn Golang in a structured and stress-free way. Some key features are updated learning paths for backend and cloud development, and a simple step-by-step format that is easy for beginners to follow. You can also learn at your own pace based on your goals. So if you are serious about learning Golang and building strong development skills, this roadmap can be really useful for your journey. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the education section on the Youthbuddy website. Select Study Roadmap under IT and CS Courses Learning category and then select the Golang on that page. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.